You might have heard about stainless steel, but have you ever heard about 440C stainless steel? In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of 440C steel and how it is used to create precision ground bars that are used in a wide range of applications. Firstly, what is 440C? 440C steel is a high-carbon martensitic stainless steel that is commonly used in knife-making and aerospace applications. The 440C designation refers to the composition of the steel. It contains about 1.2% carbon, 17% chromium, and 1% manganese. This unique combination of elements gives 440C steel excellent hardness, wear resistance, and corrosion resistance properties. So, what are 440C stainless steel bars used for? They are widely used in a variety of industries, including aerospace, medical equipment, and the food industry. These bars are often used to make high-quality bearings, nozzles, and valve parts, among other applications. One of the key advantages of 440C steel bars is their ability to withstand high stress and extreme temperatures, making them ideal for use in harsh environments. At Forte Precision Metals, we specialize in providing precision ground 440C stainless steel round bars. Our centerless grinding service ensures that our bars are perfectly cylindrical and have a smooth surface finish, making them ideal for use in precision applications. Our bars are available in a range of sizes to suit your specific needs and requirements. In conclusion, 440C stainless steel is a highly durable and versatile material that is widely used in a variety of industries. Its unique combination of properties makes it an ideal choice for high-stress and extreme temperature applications. At Forte Precision Metals, we are committed to providing the highest quality precision ground 440C stainless steel bars to meet your needs. Visit our website today to learn more about our products and services.